What is Loom? So hey guys, I'm in my PC right now. I'm using Loom right here. So if you're asking me what is Loom, Loom is a screen recording and video message tool that allows you to record your screen, camera, or both, and instantly share the video with others through a link. So I remember before I didn't have a part time or job or anything like that, I've used Loom so quite a few times. So Loom is because Loom is commonly used for explaining presentation or reports, recording tutorials or software demos, and giving feedbacks to team members or sending videos message instead of long emails, and teaching or training online. um, Loom is used for those kind of stuff. And the key features for what they call this, the Loom app. So the Loom app has screen and webcam recording right here. There you go, as you can see right here, record video. It has a what they call this, key features is screen plus webcam recording, and it has instant shareable video link by just clicking on the link. For example, right here, there's a video right here. And click on the link and then share it, and others will see it. That easy. And viewers can leave comments and reaction once they're in the link. So we're just gonna play this right here. There you go. For example, right here. See. There you go. There you go. As you can see, there you go. So depending on the link, as you see right now, it doesn't have like a comment, but depends on the video or the host or the creator. They're gonna leave a link, something like that. I meant a comment, so you can react. So yeah, there you go. And it has basic trimming and editing, and cloud storage for record videos. And who uses Loom? Mostly business and remote teams, teachers and students, and content creators, and also customer support teams. So yeah, that is Loom for you guys. So yeah, that's Loom. I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concern on what is Loom, you can type in the comment section below, guys. We'll be happy to answer it as soon as possible here and how to rock it. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys.